Drizzle, 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 drizzle.
Light rain that falls steadily.
Drizzle, drizzle.
It's drizzling now, so you'll only need a light jacket.
Drizzle. Showers, 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 showers.
Rain that falls intermittently.
Showers, showers.
The forecast predicts scattered showers throughout the day.
Showers. Overcast, 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 overcast.
When the sky is completely covered with clouds.
Overcast, overcast.
It's overcast this morning, but the sun might come out later.
Overcast. Mist, 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 mist.
Thin fog that reduces visibility.
Mist, mist.
There was a light mist covering the hills in the morning.
Mist. Humidity, 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 humidity.
The amount of moisture in the air.
Humidity, humidity.
High humidity makes the heat feel even worse.
Humidity. Chilly, 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 chilly.
Uncomfortably cold.
Chilly, chilly.
The morning air was chilly, so I put on a sweater.
Chilly. Freezing, 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 freezing.
Extremely cold, often below 0 degrees Celsius per 32 degrees Fahrenheit.
Freezing, freezing.
It's freezing outside, you should wear a heavy coat.
Freezing. Blustery, 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 blustery.
Windy and stormy.
Blustery, blustery.
The blustery wind made it hard to walk along the beach.
Blustery. Gust, 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 gust.
A sudden, strong burst of wind.
Gust, gust.
A gust of wind nearly knocked my umbrella out of my hand.
Gust. Hail, 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 hail.
Small balls of ice that fall during a storm.
Hail, hail.
We had hail yesterday. The icy pellets were as big as marbles.
Hail. Damp, 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 damp.
Slightly wet, often uncomfortably so.
Damp, damp.
The damp air made it feel colder than it actually was.
Damp. Breeze, 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 breeze.
A light, gentle wind.
Breeze, breeze.
There's a nice breeze by the ocean today.
Breeze. Heat wave. Heat wave. Heat wave. Heat wave.
A period of very hot weather lasting several days.
Heat wave. Heat wave.
The city is experiencing a heat wave, with temperatures over 40 degrees Celsius.
Heat wave. Thunderstorm. 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 Thunderstorm.
A storm with thunder, lightning, and often heavy rain.
Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm.
A loud thunderstorm woke me up last night.
Thunderstorm. Frost. 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 Frost.
Thin ice crystals that form on surfaces when it's very cold.
Frost. Frost.
There was frost on the windows early this morning.
Frost. Sleet. 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 Sleet.
A mix of rain and snow.
Sleet. Sleet.
The roads were slippery because of the sleet.
Sleet. Scorching. 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 Scorching.
Extremely hot, often uncomfortably so.
Scorching. Scorching.
It was scorching outside, so we stayed indoors with the air conditioning.
Scorching. Calm. 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 Calm.
Weather without wind or storm.
Calm. Calm.
The sea was calm, and the sky was clear.
Calm. Icy. 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 Icy.
Very cold, with a slippery surface caused by ice.
Icy. Icy.
Be careful when walking on the icy sidewalk.
Icy. Mild. 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 Mild.
Not too hot or cold, pleasantly warm or cool.
Mild. Mild.
The weather is mild today, so I don't need a jacket.
Mild.